How to download free download manager on your PC or laptop. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily download free download manager on your PC or laptop for free. So first thing you want to do is simply head over to any of your browser, and once you're inside your browser just search in for the free download manager, and once you search in for that you should be heading to this first website, which is the official website for free download manager. And if you are using Windows, simply click on this download for Windows option over here, and as you can see it will be downloaded within some minutes, and you just have to wait for some time for it to download. And once it gets successfully downloaded, you can simply click on this setup, and from over here you can simply double click on it to install it from over here. So that's exactly how you can easily download free download manager on your browser, on your PC or laptop. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.